All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this dominant finance presentation. My name is Andreas Cartrud. I am a global distributor with Dominant Finance, and I'm going to walk you through this presentation. So, Dominant Finance is a company based on real business. This is a real business with real people behind it. So, we're going to jump right into it. Now, a little bit about the company. Now, Dominant Finance is a modern, dynamically developing cryptocurrency company which is built on the concept of mining and daily distribution of cryptocurrencies among all participants. So they invite us to become a co-owner of mining equipment without having to worry about any technical maintenance. So with us, you'll get a fully transparent and reliable information about the work of each commission miner and a payout received from the mining pool. Now, their second specialization is the management of the mined crypto assets at the two largest cryptocurrency exchanges with high liquidity and reliability ratings, which is Binance and Bitfinex, meaning that their second specialization is trading of cryptocurrencies. Now, sorry, their team is set up by 5 professional developers and managers, each of whom you can contact directly via Facebook or Telegram. You can also read more about them on the website. We have our CEO, which is Mr. Thomas Eklundh, the Executive Director, Dmitry Garasov, the Chief Compliance Officer, Magnus Larsson, Technical Director, Boris Borisenko, and Head of Marketing Department, Lilia Ignatenko. Now, their philosophy is that they actually believe that our success in this cryptocurrency market is determined solely by our own decisions. And their mission is to provide us with the best environment for the realizations of our financial goals. They strive to make interactions with our company profitable for customers right from the initial starts. Our main principles are openness, honesty, and reliability. So we have a little bit of legal information because this is something everybody's asking for. And for compliant operations in different countries, Dominant Finance chose to register themselves in 5 jurisdictions in accordance with local legalization, providing our customers with a wide geographic footprint around the world. So we have our company registered in Belize, in England, in Hong Kong, in the United States, and in Russia. Now, we have fully transparent working conditions with Dominant Finance. So with Dominant Finance, what you do is that you invest money into mining equipment, which then they purchase for us and put into operation right in front of us. This equipment will work solely for us for 400 days. And after that, it becomes the property of the company. Now, their job is now to multiply our mined crypto assets on the stock exchanges, and we will receive excess profit based on the trading results. So, however, since the cryptocurrency market can be quite unpredictable, and even if we would gain no excess profit from trading, the mining equipment continues to work 24/7 and bring us a guaranteed minimum profit on a daily basis. Now, Dominant Finance is your own business where your investments work transparently and are loaded into a tool that generates cryptocurrency for you. To date, this is one of the most relevant business opportunities with a high profitability and guaranteed stability due to the steady growth of the cryptocurrency market. So we have 4 investment packages, and the investment packages are based on real business models and are designed as a turnkey package that have a certain price and parameters for provision of services and distribution of mined cryptocurrencies, of course. So let's have a look at that. Now, the first one is Krypton. Now, the Krypton package has a minimum investment of $10. You can invest as much as $5,000 in it, and their operating strategy is mining and trading. Service life is 400 calendar days, and deposits are included in payments, of course. Now, the average weekly percentage is 3.33% on your investment. The monthly average is 13.3%, and the overall total average percentage for the full 400 days is 170%. That means if you deposit $1,000 into Dominant Finance in Krypton, you will have $1,777 back in 400 days. Now, the profit is accrued every day into your account, and you can withdraw. You can withdraw them once a day. Once a week. That will be between Sunday and Tuesday at 3 p.m. Now, the next pool is Alt Pool. Now, the Alt Pool package has a minimum investment of $50, maximum of $8,000. Everybody's operating in mining and trading, and all the packages is of course 400 days, and the deposits is included in the payments. Now here you can see the average percentage is a bit higher. The weekly percentage is 3.58. The monthly average is 14.3, and the overall total average for the 400 days is 190%, which means deposit $1,000 into the alt pool package, and you will receive about $1,900 back in the 400 days. Also, profits is accrued every day and withdrawals once a week between Sunday and Tuesday. The next one is Dominant. The Dominant package has a minimum investment of $100, a maximum of $15,000. Also doing mining and trading, also 400 calendar days. Deposits also included in payments. And the weekly average here is 3.82%. Monthly is 15.3%. And the overall total average profit is 203% for 400 days. Deposit 1,000, get back $2,030. Profit accrued every day and deposit and withdrawals between Sunday and Tuesday every week. Now the final one is Mastodon. The Mastodon is for those who wants to invest a little bit more. The minimum investment is 15,000 and the maximum investment is 30,000. They also operate in mining and trading, 400 calendar days, deposits included in payments. The average weekly percentage here is 4.12%. That's a 16.5 monthly percentage in average, and an overall total average percentage is 219%. So if you deposit, let's say $20,000 in the Mastodon package, that means you will have about $44,000 back over the course of 400 days. Also profit accrued every day and withdrawals between Sunday and Tuesday every week. So this is the investment packages with Mastodon. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. The percentage, the average percentage that we see here is actually based on the past 3 months performance of the company. Now, why is investing with Dominant Finance so attractive? So I'm going to read this for you. I'm going to explain it because this is one of the most important things in Dominant Finance in my mind. Now, since deposits and withdrawals are made in cryptocurrencies without conversion into classical currencies, you will profit twofold. You will profit from the return on your investment as well as the natural growth of the cryptocurrency. Therefore, the earlier you join us, the greater total profit you will get from your investment due to the price being low. The price is now going up. So the earlier you get in, the more profit you will make on that. Now, by the end of 2019, numerous experts estimate that the price of Bitcoin can reach up to $25,000, and we want to get a portion of that. Now, your net profit can total to more than 300, 400, 500% after 400 days when investing in crypto. So let me explain this really good. Now, in most investment companies that I've seen or been involved with before, if you invest with Bitcoin, they will convert it into how much dollar that Bitcoin was worth at the time, and they will give you your profit and interest paid on the amount of dollar you now have in. Now, to get it out, you need to convert it back to Bitcoin. So I invested 1 Bitcoin in a company that was supposed to give 210% back in 150 days. They converted the value of the dollar of the Bitcoin into dollar when I deposited it, and I received 210% profit on the amount of dollar over the course of 150 days. But then I had to convert it into dollar every day when I got, or into Bitcoin every day when I got it back. So by the end of the 150 days, my 1 Bitcoin with a 210% gain ended up being 0.7 Bitcoin because of the price of the Bitcoin so rapidly grew that time. So when they converted into dollars and I had to convert it into Bitcoin, I received less Bitcoin than I actually deposited into the system. And that was a loss of money. I lost my money there. Even though I had a 210% gain on the dollar value, I had a 30% loss on the Bitcoin amount. So with Dominant Finance, this is not happening. If you invest in Bitcoin, you will get the percentage paid on the amount of Bitcoin you invest. For example, if you invest in Dominant over 400 days, you will get in average 203% back. So if you invest 1 Bitcoin, you will have 2.03 Bitcoin back over the 400 days. If you invest 10 Ethereum, you will have 20.7 Ethereum back over 400 days. If you invest 1,000 or 10,000 Ripple, you will have 20,000 Ripple back after 200 days. They do not convert crypto to dollars to pay it back to you. They pay it in the currency you invest with. And this is one of the most important things I believe with dominant finance. This is the key point where they are attractive customers. I mean, just in 3 months, dominant finance has more than 17,000 customers all over the world for I think it's 69 countries. And that is huge. And every single person is making profit. There's no loss at any of these people who have joined with dominant finance. Now, let's move on. So deposits and withdrawals. Now, the minimum withdrawal is only $5 or the equivalent in any kind of crypto. So $5 in Bitcoin or $5 in Ethereum, that's the minimum withdrawal amount. The maximum withdrawal amount is unlimited. If you have $100,000 in Bitcoin in your account, you can withdraw $100,000 directly. There's no limit. So withdraw from any amount from your account once a week between Sunday and Tuesday, 3 p.m. Now we have a safety of the customer funds. This is unique. This is the second or one of the most important things with dominant finance as well. So financial reliability of dominant finance is confirmed by a cash security deposit of the amount of $1 million, which is distributed across the 4 largest crypto exchanges, which is Binance, Bittrex, Kraken, and Poloniex. Now, the company have provided this security deposit as a security fund for us investors, which guarantees the client's compensations for losses in the event of unforeseen risks in trading. That means, because this is very, very important for all investors, any person coming in, putting their hard-earned money into a program, they want some kind of reassurance, some kind of security. And this is what Dominant Finance is offering. The CEO of Dominant Finance deposited $1 million as a security fund for their customers. So if there is an unforeseen risk happening in trading and a company does a loss, you are still covered. This is huge. There's no other company in the cryptocurrency in the space that have this kind of guarantee. So in the cryptocurrency business, this is an unprecedented step towards openness and transparency of the company's operation, confirming both the financial viability of Dominant Finance and its absolute willingness to satisfy all customers' requests for withdrawals of funds. So with Dominant Finance, your investment is insured, secured, and in very, very good hands. So in conclusion, guys, in Dominant Finance, you have a trusted partner. This is no pyramid scheme. This is no Ponzi. They are in no hurry nor whatsoever. Nor are they dependent on the influx of new customers' investments. They have simply found their niche, and they chose to operate a business that brings them a guaranteed daily income from their operations. And they have chosen to share this business possibility with us. So join us in this promising market, guys, and you can earn a pure passive income in just 7 to 10 months. In 7 to 10 months, you have the full return of your investments, and the next months, you will just have pure profits coming in. All right, so we just went through the investment opportunity with Dominant Finance, a little bit about the company, a little bit about the people behind. If you want even more information about them, I recommend go to their website, read about them. They are very, very transparent. They have nothing to hide, so you will learn even more there. But we're doing a presentation, so I'm walking you through the most important parts. So that was the investment opportunity and the investment business with Dominant Finance. And we're going to move over to the marketing plan. So Dominant Finance has chosen to market their company through the network marketing concept, allowing people around the world to participate and work with them. So they have an exceptional marketing plan in my eyes, with actually unlimited earning potential. And they also have a unique Race of Diamonds competition, which they have now, which is a special incentive for the most ambitious partners. So I'm going to walk you through that as well. Now, I'm sorry for the little bit of delay here I have a little bit of delay when I'm turning the pages here. So, but all right, here we have the career ladder. Now, the Dominant Finance Marketing Plan includes 15 career ranks that you can progress through, and they all determine what bonuses you will receive. Now, this career program is designed in a way that active partners that are motivated to work with their customers will earn more because their promotion directly affects their profit and income. So let's walk you through them. Now, we all start out as a partner. That's the furthest down on the structure, on the ladder. That's of course. So you have 0% turnover. Now, when we talk about turnover, that will be team volume. When you're building a team, all investments coming in will count as a certain amount of volume into your team, and that's the team turnover. So you have there's no bonus paid. There's a 4% commission paid on this level. You start with a 4% direct commission. I'm going to walk you through that later on. Now, the second one is trainee. You need $2,500 turnover in your team. Next is junior agent. You need a $10,000 turnover in your team. Next one is agent. That's $25,000 turnover in your team. And then you actually get a $500 career bonus. Senior agent, $75,000 turnover. That's a $1,000 bonus. Manager is $150,000 turnover in team. That's $2,500 bonus. Sapphire, $350,000 turnover in team. That's a $5,000 bonus. Ruby, $700,000 turnover, $10,000 bonus. Emerald is a $1.5 million turnover in team, and that's a $20,000 bonus. And let's go to the next slide. Now we have the career ladder for the diamond. So after the emerald, we go to the diamond ranks. Now to reach the first rank of diamond, you need $3 million turnover in your team. That's a $50,000 bonus. Diamond 1 carat, $5 million turnover, $100,000 bonus. Diamond 2 carat, $7 million turnover, $150,000 bonus. 3 carats, $10 million turnover, $300,000 bonus. Diamond 4 carats, that's $15 million turnover, and it's a $500,000 bonus. And as a 5 carat, which is the final step in the ladder, that's $20 million turnover in your team, and it's a $1 million career bonus straight into your pocket. Now, they also have some incentives as well. Now, they have the Dominant Finance Career Ranks incentives. Now, let me just walk you through the commissions and the basics first. Now, as a partner, when we start, we haven't brought that into this. You have a 4% direct bonus. So that's based on investments on your first level. So the second level is when you have $2,500 turnover and at least $50 invested yourself. You now have a 5% direct commission based on investments on your first level. And you also have a 1% commission based on investments in your entire structure. Now that means that any sale happening between your first line, you'll get a 1% commission on as well. Now the next one, junior agent, you have a 6% direct commission. You have between 1 and 2% based on the investments from your entire structure. And you also have a 5% cumulative bonus, which is based on the direct bonuses of partners on your first level. So whatever your partners earn on your first level, you'll get a 5% commission on. Now, what's important to know about this 1 to 2 based on investments in the entire structure, that is that we get paid the difference to our partners. That means if I'm a junior agent, I have a 6% commission, and I have somebody on my first line, which is a trainee. Now, he has a 5% commission based on first level and 1% below. Now, since he has a 5%, now any investment happening below him, since you have 6%, you will get that 1% between 5 and 6 on all sales below him. Now, if you have, for example, if you had 8%, I'll take you to the next one. For example, agent, now you have 7%. Now, if you still have a trainee on your first line and a sale happens below him, since he has 5 and you have 7, you will get the 2% difference on all sales happening below him. So we get paid the difference to our own partners. All right, so between 1 to 3 based on the investments on the entire structure. This is though dependent on what rank the person on your front line has. If he has a partner with a 4% commission, you have 3% on all sales. If he is a trainee with a 5% commission, you have a 2% commission on all sales. Or if he's a junior agent with 6%, you will have a 1% on all sales below him. All right, I hope that was pretty clear on how this works. All right, so community bonus, also known as matching bonus, you have a 6% based on your first level and 5% on your second level, and then the career rank of 500, and you need a 25,000 turnover to reach this rank. Now, senior agent is 8% on your first level, between 1 to 4 on all sales in your structure, 7% matching on your first level, 6 on your second, and 5 on your third, and 1,000% bonus. And you need a 75,000 total turnover to reach this rank, and $1,000 invested yourself. Manager was 150,000 and 2,500 invested. That's a 9% direct commission, between 1 and 5% on all sales in your entire structure. Matching bonus or cumulative bonus is 8% on your front line, 7 on your second, 6 on your third, and 5 on your fourth, and a $2,500 bonus for reaching it. The next one is now Sapphire. That's a 10% on your direct commission, between 1 and 6 on your entire team, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5% matching bonus on 5 generation, and a $5,000 bonus for achieving the rank as well. And you need a 350,000 turnover and $5,000 invested. Now, the only difference between each rank, more or less, is that you get 1% more on each percentage level, so to say. So the Ruby is 11%, and between 1 to 7 on the whole structure, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 on matching bonus, 5 levels down, $10,000 bonus rank for achieving the rank of Ruby. Emerald is 12%, between 1 to 8 on all sales below second line. Matching or cumulative bonus, that's 11% on your first line, 10 on your second, 9, 8, 7, and $20,000 bonus for achieving it. And then we also have the career bonuses for the diamonds, where you can actually choose between either the cash bonus or an executive or a luxury car. For instance, as a diamond, it's a 13% direct commission, between 1 to 9 on all sales in your structure, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8% on 5 levels down in matching bonus. And you can choose between $50,000 cash or a Mercedes-Benz E-Class 200. Now, this is also important to know that to receive the career bonus in the diamond ranks, you must have 2 direct partners with the emerald rank or higher. That means that you need to have at least 2 people on your front line that has the rank of emerald for you to reach the rank of diamond and get the career bonus. Now, diamond 1 carat is 14% direct commission, between 1 to 10 on the entire structure, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 matching bonus on 5 levels, and you can choose between $100,000 or a Mercedes-Benz 400. And to receive this career bonus, you need to have 2 direct partners with the diamond rank or higher. Diamond 2 carat is 14.5% direct investments, between 0.5 and 10.5 on all investments in your structure, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10% matching bonus on 5 generation. And you can choose between a Mercedes-Benz Maybach or 150,000 cash. And to be able to either get the car or the cash, you need to have 2 direct partners with the diamond rank 1 carat or higher. And then we have the 3 carat, which is 15% direct commission, between 1 and 11 on all sales in your structure, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11% matching bonus on 5 levels. Now you have actually a Bentley Bentayaga or $300,000 cash bonus. So to receive the cash or the car, you need to have 2 direct partners, 2 carat. Now we have the 4 carat, which now is 15.5% direct commission, 0.5 to 11.5 on all sales in your structure, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12% on 5 levels down on matching bonus. And you can choose between a Rolls Royce or 500,000 as long as you have two direct partners, which is a diamond 3 carat or higher. And then final rank, the diamond 5 carat, you have 16% direct commission, between 1 to 12% based on all investments in your entire structure. Now, this accumulates up to be pretty big bonuses. And in the matching bonus, you have 17, 16, 15, 14, and 13% on 5 levels down. And you can choose between a Rolls-Royce Phantom or a $1 million cash bonus. And to get that, you need to have two direct partners with the diamond 4 carat rank or higher. So that was the marketing plan. And now I'm actually going to show you the incentive race of diamonds, because we are only 3 months old, guys. We just started, but we are making so much noise around the world. The trust is being built. I've never seen a company that is this transparent and building so much trust around the world in such a short time. And we still don't have a diamond in the company. The highest rank so far is manager. So the first person in dominant finance to reach the rank of diamond will additionally, besides the cash bonus, get a sports version of the Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG, which is valued at $85,000. So if you are the person that reaches the rank of diamond, the first diamond in the company, you will get this car as an additional bonus. If you're the first person who reaches the rank of 2 carats, you will get the E63 AMG valued at $120,000. If you're the first person who reaches the 2 carats, you'll get the Mercedes-Benz GT AMG at $160,000. If you're the first, are we at 3 now? For 3 carat, that's a S63 valued at $220,000. If you're the first time in 4 carat, you'll get a Lamborghini Huracan valued at $280,000. And if you're the first 5 carat, you'll get a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta valued at $350,000. So the person who reaches one of these ranks first will additionally get a sports car. And this, the perfect thing and a good thing with dominant finance is that I like that, even though, let's say that my upline reaches the diamond rank first in the company, then he will get that additional sports car. But the way that this compensation plan is built, I have a high possibility of surpassing my upline as long as I put in more work. So even if he is reaches diamond, the first one to reach is diamond, I can be the first person to reach diamond 1 carat. And this, I think, is very important in a network marketing company. That is that you have the possibility to surpass your upline in ranks. Because, yeah, I think we all know why. We don't want, I mean, there's so many, in so many companies and so many marketing plans where it is impossible for someone who is further down in the structure to actually surpass those above them. Now, this is fully possible in dominant finance, and it's already happened. It's already happened. We have several people who have surpassed their upline in ranks, and I think that is very good, because when it comes to network marketing, those who do the most, those who put in most efforts, those who lead their teams, help their teams, support their teams, and help grow their teams, not your own team, but you help grow their teams. Those are those who should be paid the most or be compensated most. And that is exactly what the company is doing. So if you're interested in working with dominant finance, as you can see, they have an exceptional marketing plan. They have cash bonuses, they have incentives. They are extremely well. So I believe that was it. Dominant finance, guys, our slogan is better together. We are always better together. In business, there has never been a huge and a great accomplishment that was made by just one person. They're always made by a team of people. And if you want to market this and you want to build a team, you want to build an organization and help others towards financial freedom with dominant finance, I have one advice for you all. And that is to be the upline you always wanted to have. Now, what that means to you, it can be completely different from what it means to me or somebody else. But to me, that means that whatever I wanted my upline to ever do to me, what I wished he would do, what I want him to do, what I hope him to do, I have to do for my downline. If I expect these kind of things from my upline, I have to be willing to give these things to my downline. That is how you will build a powerful and sustainable, strong structure in a network marketing business. Care about your team and be the upline you always wanted to have. All right, guys, I want to wish you much and tremendous with success with Dominant Finance. It is achievable. It is possible. We are all in the perfect moment to get in here. And until next time, guys, if there's anything you need, please reach out to the leaders in either the groups or on Facebook, or reach out to the company. Everybody is here to help you and to support you for you to achieve your successful goals and dreams. All right, guys, this was Andreas Cartrud, Global Distributor with Dominant Finance. I want to thank you for listening in, and I wish you a good day. Bye bye.